Hi, I'm Chef Carl. Welcome to my home.
Chef Carl, food whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Today, we're going to be making 4 meals using one pot, and it costs us going to be about 80 or 90 cents a meal. You could use this if you have a big family, if you want to freeze some of them, or if you're going to have a party. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is going to get our base meat, which we're going to take almost 3 3/4 pounds of lean ground beef. This is like 85, 15, 90, 10. We're going to put it in the pot. We're going to add 2 cups of diced celery, 2 cups of diced green peppers. It doesn't have to be exact. 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So let's get it going. So now I'm just going to break this up a little bit. We're going to cover it. Be about 10 minutes, stir it up, and that'll be phase 1. So the ground beef and peppers and the onions have been cooking for about 14-15 minutes with the spice and everything, and it's all, ooh, so good. And we're going to stir it up, take it off, and we're going to separate the meat out for some of the other dishes we're going to make. And don't forget, if you watch these videos, please subscribe, leave a comment, and ring the bell in the right-hand corner. I'll tell you when the next video is coming up. We're going to take out 2/3 of this meat here. It's going to, later we're going to make it into tacos. As it is now, it's great for tacos. We're going to make sloppy joes. And we're going to make meat sauce, spaghetti with meat sauce. And I cooked off the pasta in the same pot. So once again, 1 pot dishes here. So now I'm going to put this back on the stove, and to that I'm going to add 2 cans of chili hot beans, 1 can of black beans in sauce, and I'm not going to drain it, and a little bit of dark chocolate, a half of candy bar of dark chocolate. These are the ones the kids are always selling in high school or grade school. And another 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. So I can put that in now. Let it get happy, as they say. I'm also going to add about a half a cup of my homemade salsa, which got cilantro. We're going to let that simmer about 4 or 5 minutes till the chocolate melts and everything incorporates. And then we're going to put it in a bowl and we'll dish it up later. I don't wear gloves because I break out, but I have a bowl of sanitizer. I sanitize the board and I have hot soapy water in the sink. So I've got my sanitation license. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the chili off, put it in the bowl. We'll take 1/3 of the meat that we started off with here, and we're going to make sloppy joe. Now this chili will be thicker after it sits. I'll put this on the side. We'll put that on the side for now. We're going to add about 1/3 of a cup of ketchup. Anticipation. And I get a little extra because I want to. About a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now you can use like a manwich product and this and that, but you have all these other things in your house. And one nice heaping tablespoon of sweet relish. And back on the stove for about 2 minutes. Now the sloppy joe is ready. It just took like 3 or 4 minutes to heat up. And we're going to put it in a bowl. And the last thing we're going to be making real quickly is spaghetti with meat sauce. I cooked the spaghetti in that same pot. It took about 12 minutes. Got it on the side, rinsed it in the sink. So let me get this in the pot. Let me get it in the bowl. It's in the pot. Remember, still same pot. We haven't washed it, haven't wiped it. Nada. Ooh, that looks good. Look at that. Smells like sloppy joe. So now I'm going to take half the remaining meat, because part of the meat's going to be for tacos. This is the seasoned ground beef with first. I'm going to add, I can either use my homemade or I'm use this one. It's all natural. It's $1 a jar. All natural, fresh ingredients. Can't beat that. We're going to let this cook just about 4 minutes again, and we'll be ready to start plating up. Alright, now for a couple of minutes our red sauce, our meat sauce is cooking, so we're going to make the sloppy joes. You can see lots of joe meat. We can probably make 15 sandwiches. My dogs are singing to me, in case you're wondering. They smell the food. And I will feed them. And look at that. Oh, no. Nice garnish. And these radish roses, if you like them for decorations, they're on a video I did a while back on garnishes. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make some nice tacos. You could use flour shells, you could use the corn shells and fry them, but just for convenience, and my wife likes the hard shells, and 2 spoons. A little nice shredded Mexican cheese. Some salsa. Since I have Ward here, we're going to make a couple so we can have a little lunch in a second. Now this is our meat sauce. Again, still the same pot. I cooked off 8 ounces of pasta, the same pot first before I started everything. Took about 11, 12 minutes for the pasta, but you can make a pound and it'll take the same amount of time. So we're going to plate it up. So we're going to garnish with a little toasted French bread. And you can either use ground or shredded Parmesan. So we're going to make it rain, as they say. And that is your spaghetti with meat sauce. This is meal number 3. Last but not least, our chili, which makes our 4th dish. Stir it up. Tomorrow this will be thicker, so don't worry about if it's a little loosey-goosey. It's loosey-goosey and juicy. Alright. These meals are going to make between 20 and 30 meals, and it costs about $18. Alright. Let the old man keep going here. Little shredded cheese. Some jalapenos. Now, instead of taking a spoon, I'm just going to do that. I like. And a little cilantro. Now, there you go.
That's good.
So we had 4 things from one pot. And remember, in Illinois, oh, that's a different pot. It's legal in January. Thank you, and come back next time and subscribe and let me know what you want to see. I won't be offended. I cry easily, but let me know. Thank you.